Hello and welcome to Aurelian University. In this video, we're going to talk about another grammatical category. That's number. Generally applies to adjectives and nouns. And also it can apply to verbs in a lot of situations. So we're going to talk about some common numbers and also generally what number is. So number is pretty self-explanatory. It's a number of things. It's not like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 so much. It's the broad category of numbers. So we have singulars for one thing, plurals. Often it's for two or more things. Sometimes in some languages it'll actually be three or more. There's also a very common number. So English, for example, will only have singulars and plurals. There's a very common number, well, not very common, but a somewhat common number called a dual. It denotes two things. And a palkal, which is not also very common, but it does occur, which describes several things. So an example in English would be man is singular, always refers to one man. Men is plural, will always refer to two or more men. And then in some languages, so you might have, so let's do an Arabic example. Kitab ban always refers to two books in Arabic, for example. So again, these are noun and adjective categories and oftentimes verb categories. Yeah.